guys, back here again. Teardown's complete. As you can see, we got a whole pile of parts there. So now it's time to put it all back together. So let's get right to it. So all the spark plugs are done. The fuel rail is back in, tightened back down, 89 inch-pounds. Alright, so we've got the fuel line back attached, all the injectors plugged back in. The upper intake with the throttle body and spacer are all back in place. So right here, James is installing the header that's going to allow us to mount the turbo. Alright, so we got the passenger side cross pipe. The valve is on it. Now we can put it up in the car loosely. Alright, so you can see the passenger side. And you can see the driver's side exhaust manifold. Now it's time for the intercooler, so let's get it unboxed. And there we go, unwrapped. So there's the upper bracket, and we've got the intercooler mounted in. Got the boots on it, so that's looking good. Well, now it's time to unwrap the turbo. And there she is. Now we'll get her all set up, all the fittings, get her clocked, get her in. So we've got the turbo all put in, we've got it clocked, we've got the oil supply down in here, and we've got the oil drain, which is running out to the oil pump, which is pumped back up to the new oil cap provided by the kit. So now we got the charge pipe in place, the blow off valve tubed in, all of our wiring, or all of our vacuum lines going around. Got the boost gauge plumbed out and connected up. So here we have our manual boost controller. We've got that installed in line right on top of the intake here, easy to get to, and plumbed in to go down to the wastegate, and that comes over to the boost gauge inside. And then the other side of it comes out and plumbs into this guy here, which goes down to the blow-off valve. Hey guys, so it's been a couple days here. We did get the V-band clamps in to replace the ones that I'd messed up, and now we can get back to putting everything together. So let's get back to it. So here's the completed exhaust underneath. See the downpipe coming in into the catted Y pipe, back into the MagnaFlow exhaust. We do have the one-piece aluminum driveline installed. I have the driveline hoop. We'll install that when we change out the rear diff fluid. But there she is. Alright, because I already had a device, all I had to do was download the tune from Auto Mafia Racing onto my device, and we're going to install that in the car right now. So we've got a little problem with the oil pump. I don't know if it's just a bad oil pump or if it's something else. Right now, still trying to diagnose it. It's really loud when you turn it on. It sounds like almost a bad bearing in the pump, so I'm leaning towards it's a bad pump. But everything else is looking good. No leaks out of any of the boots so far. Did take it for a little test drive. Didn't want to do too much because even though the pump is pumping oil, it's really loud, and if it is a bad bearing or something in the pump, I don't want it to fail and then toast my brand new turbo. So we do have all that all set. I've got the one headlight in. Until I figure it out, I don't want to put the whole front end and that headlight back in case I do have to remove that pump. So that's kind of where we stand right now. 99% complete as soon as we figure out what's going on with that. So with that being said, at this point, like I said, we're about 99% complete. Tune is in. The little test drive, you can definitely tell a huge difference when it spools up. We didn't take it far. Like I said, I didn't want to chance it with the way that oil pump's acting. So for now, we're going to go ahead and close out this video so I can get it out to you guys. As soon as I figure out the oil pump, you guys will be the first to know. We'll get another video and then also take out on a cruise and we'll get some reactions. The son definitely had some wide-eyed reactions on the little bitty of cruise that we did take. So with that being said, you guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for all the support. If you guys like these videos, definitely give it that thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And we will see you in the next one.